To earn the Rising Talent Badge on Upwork, follow these steps. First, complete your profile to 100%. This includes adding a professional photo, an eye-catching title, and a well-written overview that highlights your skills and experience. Next, take relevant skills test. This will demonstrate your expertise and help you stand out to potential clients. Then, submit tailored proposals for each job. Customize your proposal to show that you understand the client's requirements and can meet their needs effectively. Always deliver high-quality work on time. Providing exceptional service and maintaining strong communication with clients is key to building a good reputation. Finally, ensure that your account is in good standing. Avoid any violations of Upwork's policies to maintain eligibility for the Rising Talent Badge. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of receiving the Rising Talent Badge on Upwork.